Tuesday pa lang pero pag good ka na for the week, ay nako, tama na ang kape. Kasi to ang need mo. And look at this fiery energy! Crystal of the day. And today we'll talk about carnelian! Ang ultimate power stone for motivation. Ang carnelian usually comes from Brazil or India. Ang kulay niya ranges from light orange, as you can see there, ayan, no? Ayan, light orange to even brownish red, ayan. And if you look very, very closely, translucent siya. As in, pag tinapat mo sa light, parang may apoy sa loob. O, diba? Ang ganda! Very unique talaga sa bawat isa. For healing naman, it has these benefits. It's the stone of courage and creativity. In-open ito ang sacral chakra mo. So kung feeling mo stuck ka or kailangan mo ng extra confidence boost sa work or school, carnelian will help you take action. O diba? No more procrastination. Wala nang cramming! So bagay to sa mga go-getters, alam mo yun, yung mga laging puyat, and so on, yung mga laging pagod and puyat at nag-aaral at nag-work. Ikaw, what crystal do you wanna see next? Comment down below and let's talk about it! Bye!